Still guessing your water temperature every time you turn on the tap? What if your faucet could show you the exact temperature instantly without using any batteries? Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. Today, we're reviewing the Lefton BF2204 digital display bathroom faucet and breaking down whether its smart features and modern design are actually worth it. Let's take a closer look. The standout feature of this faucet is its built-in digital temperature display. As soon as you turn on the water, the screen shows the exact temperature in real time. No batteries required. It powers itself through water flow. This is not just cool, it's practical. You can avoid sudden hot water shocks and adjust the temperature safely, especially useful for kids or elderly users. This faucet comes with a 3-function pull-down spray head. With a simple touch button, you can switch between aerated stream, sweep spray, and boost mode. That gives you flexibility depending on what you're doing, whether it's washing hands, rinsing, or cleaning the sink. The spray face is also designed to resist mineral buildup, making cleaning easier over time. Now let's talk performance. The Boost technology increases water flow by 30% with just one press. That means faster filling and stronger rinsing power when you need it. Instead of waiting around for water to fill up, you get efficiency and convenience instantly. Build quality is solid. It's made from durable brass and features ceramic disc valves that exceed industry longevity standards. That means smoother handle operation and long-term leak resistance. It's also lead-free, which adds an extra layer of safety for daily use. Design is where this faucet really shines. It features a modern single-lever handle and a 360-degree swivel spout for flexibility. And it comes in 6 finishes: brushed nickel, chrome, gray, matte black, white, and polished gold. Whether your bathroom is minimalist, bold, luxury, or classic, there's a color option to match your style. If you're looking for a modern bathroom faucet with smart temperature display, strong water performance, and multiple finish options, the Lefton BF2204 is definitely worth considering. It combines technology, durability, and style in one clean package. If this review helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to Kitchen Faucet for more honest faucet reviews and smart home upgrades. See you in the next video.